This tutorial shows how to navigate the site on a desktop computer. When browsing the site on a mobile device, click on the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen, and then on the full site link towards the bottom of your screen to access all site features. How to search for activities, add items to your cart, register multiple members and activities, and check out. There are a few ways to search for activities from the homepage. Using the Search Activities tab to access direct links to activity categories. Using the search bar to search by keywords or activity number. Or clicking on the Search Activities link to go to the Activities search page. From the Activity search page, you can search by keyword or by number. Using the When, Where, Who, and Activities buttons found below the search bar, you can refine search results by date range, time range, days of the week, status, location, age range, activity category, type, instructor, and more. You can further sort your filtered search results using the drop-down in the top right corner. To read a quick description of the activity, click on the information icon found next to the activity title. You can also click on the activity title for more information and details. Click the Enroll Now button to register for the activity. Select the participant you would like to register. If you would like to register another participant for this activity before checking out, click on the Register Another Participant link. Select the name of the second participant from the drop-down, and click Add to Cart. To add more items before checking out, click on the Search Activities tab to start a new activity search. Once you are finished adding all your activities to your cart and are ready to check out, click on the waiver links to read the waiver and agreements for all the activities you are registering for. Type in your initials to confirm you have read and agree. Then click the Checkout button to continue. Complete your payment information and click the Pay button to process payment. The confirmation page indicates your registration is complete. For more tutorials visit westvancouverrec.ca/tutorials.